going to present a skit regarding the living rights for all animals. Let us introduce some animal characters. Rajesh as Sparrow, Rahul as Tiger, Akhil and Chaitanya as Cheetah, Hamchandu as Lion, Tarun as Rabbit, Abhishek as Snake, Gautam Sahu as Monkey, Rohit Sharma as Elephant. All these animals live in a beautiful nature with abundant resources like pure water and pure air. While civilization takes place in negative direction, some abnormal development takes place in some sectors. Let us introduce some abnormal developments. Santoshi as industries and factories. Myself is industries and factories because human establishment. Myself is NROs. Jyoti Swarup as deforestation.
Myself rule as a deforestation. When I saw any tree, I will cut them for my uses as a furniture and wooden houses and etc.
Swati as vehicles.
Without myself, no one can move one place to another place. My number also abnormally increases. I release toxic gases into nature.
Venugopal as farmer.
I am farmer. Now I am decreasing comparing with olden days.
Manikanta as real estate.
Myself is real estate. When I saw forests and lakes and developed those resources as buildings and apartments.
Monica as cell phones.
Myself is mobile phone. If you use me in a proper way, I will make you noble people to protect your future through increasing your knowledge. Otherwise, if you misuse myself, I will make you mad people. I will spoil your time, I will spoil your education.
Cell phone towers.
Myself, I am cell phone tower. I will connect all the people. Myself, I am cell phone tower. I will connect all the people.
As a scientist, I have worked on all these issues and I have researched and innovated a book, Red Data Book. Let us know some information of Red Data Book.
Information about Red Data Book. The IUCN is responsible for entering the names of endangered species into the Red Data Book. The full form of Red Data Book is the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The IUCN began publishing the Red Data Book in 1960s, starting with 2 volumes. As the January 2024, the IUCN lists over 950 species of animals in the India as critically endangered.
Let us all try to not cut any trees for industrial use. Save trees and save animals. Thank you.